Hey guys, welcome to a sicky edition of What I Ate Wednesday. So I started out with some Amy's Alphabet Soup. If I had the energy, I would have picked out the letters to spell vegan on my spoon for fun, but I couldn't even. On this day, I had already had a fever for 2 weeks and I hadn't slept through the night for about that long, so you could imagine how low my energy level was. It was a pretty decent soup. Would a homemade soup like this cream corn soup by Kahina26 or this October stew by Queer Fox been better? Probably, but my sense of taste has been a bit off, so a tasty breakfast would probably be wasted on my taste buds. Though, my eyes can still appreciate. Just look at these lovely pancakes, a feast for the eyes. When I got hungry around noon, it was another can of soup. This one was low-sodium lentil vegetable. It was really plain, which is fine I guess, but you know, compared to say chickpea curry, I just have to sigh about this food day. It wasn't very exciting. I was happy to see that more of you tried my Chinese-style chickpea curry recipe and that you really seem to love it the way I do. So thanks for those pictures, guys. 2 soups were not enough calories to take me to dinner, so I had a pumpkin scone. Check out the recipe for that if you like. This one was frozen and I just nuked it for a few seconds to defrost it. Good as new. Almost. And to boost the calorie count and stay full for longer, I added peanut butter and jelly. Obviously not the healthiest way to do this, but in this circumstance, it was the best I could do. For dinner, I couldn't stand the thought of another can of soup, so I did the next easiest thing I could think of. I took a couple of Blue Menu vegan chicken things and covered them with barbecue sauce. Those went in the oven to bake while I prepared a salad. We have some chopped cucumber, celery, sweet yellow peppers, and some bright cherry tomatoes. The dressing is a lower fat version of Bryant Terry's creamy red bell pepper sauce from his book Afro Vegan. It's really good. I highly recommend it. After a half an hour in the oven, the vegan chicken was done and that was dinner. Easy peasy and quite filling, and after all that soup, I was so happy for crunchy, fresh vegetables. The vegan chicken was pretty tasty too with all that barbecue sauce. It's really dense, so it's really filling. So it did the job. These things are really handy, especially if you're new to vegan cooking. You don't have to change your cooking style at all, you just sub in these alternatives. While it's cheaper to use tofu, beans, and lentils, and arguably healthier, this is a fast and easy way to go about dinner. So what do you do when you just can't even? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thanks for all your well wishes. Your support on Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat really helped me keep my mood up because the last few months it just seems like one thing after another with me. But don't worry, I'm feeling way better this week. So this Friday we should be back to our regular recipe videos. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe for more meal inspiration videos like this one every Wednesday and recipe videos on Fridays. Bye for now!